What's up, guys? Crazy Black 108 here, and I'm back with Lance doing more sneaker unboxings, but we decided to do something new. Instead of making it one really long 22-minute video, we're just going to make them all individual segments where you guys will get to look and see at each individual shoe in its own video, instead of going, hey, let me watch this 22-minute video and see what you guys got. So we're going to start unboxing. Like, how many shoes do we have today?
I don't know. I added a couple more. It was 14, but it may be a couple more than that.
Okay, yeah, so we got like over 20 shoes to do, so this will be a fun segment.
Great. So we saw these boxes earlier. I couldn't wait. I got these early December from Social Status. They had a deal where you tell them your size, you send them $75, and they give you 2 mystery shoes. I couldn't wait. They said you had a 1 in 20 chance of getting heat. Well, I didn't. But that's why I could open that box so quick earlier, because it took me about 20 minutes to get these babies unboxed when I first opened them. So there's the first one, Adidas box. That is a crazy shoe.
Wow.
Yeah. High OG. I don't know if we're calling that Python.
Yeah, whatever. Man.
They're nice. I mean, pretty good surprise shoe. The other one, I will say I'm not as impressed by, just because, I don't know, it's a pretty drab shoe. Can't really fault them. 2 pairs for $75 is good, and it's a mystery, which is kind of fun. Asics Gel Respector. I don't know. If anybody wants it, I'll give it to you if you wear a size 13. Those are definitely too old guy looking for me.
Yeah.
I'm fairly old. I'm not that old. But I wish I'd done that before with, I think Packer Shoes had a mystery one.
Okay.
But it's a cool idea.
Yeah, I dig that.
Get rid of some of your old stuff and throw in some good pairs.
Just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for giving the video a look. Put thumbs up, thumbs down if you guys like the shoes or like the video. Do if you like the video. If you don't like the shoes, don't thumb us down. You can leave a comment down below and say, I hate those shoes. I'm like, alright, cool. And yeah, just keep on giving us feedback, guys. Hopefully this new way that we plan to upload will bring us some more views and bring us some more feedback, just so we can start building more of a communication about what people like to see and what people like to see more of. So I want to thank you guys for watching this one, and until next time, guys, peace. And Lance and I will see you around later.
Thank you.